Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on voice features so commands work reliably. First, make sure your Google account is signed in and the TV has internet. This lets the assistant fetch results. Once done, open Settings and give mic permissions so the remote can send audio. Then pair the remote. Press and hold the assistant button for 3 to 5 seconds until pairing prompts appear. These initial steps let the assistant identify you and accept voice input, which makes everything else faster and more accurate. Now you'll practice command structure so the assistant responds correctly. Speak clearly and pause between phrases. This reduces misinterpretation, especially if music or TV is loud. Use natural language. Say play Stranger Things on Netflix or find cooking shows about pasta because the assistant maps intent to apps and search. To control smart devices, address scenes or device names tied to Google Home like turn on living room lights. Make sure app names match what's installed. To finish, refine assistant behavior so it fits your routine. Open Settings, tweak voice match and preferred language so it recognizes different speakers and accents. This improves personalization. If the assistant fails to hear you, restart the TV and repair the remote. That clears common connection hiccups. If problems persist, check network strength and update apps. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but back up your accounts and settings first so you don't lose personalized data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.